right, so our very last step in our project is cleaning up all of our tools. We've got resin on all of these things. We want to make sure to have them clean for our next time. And it's actually fairly easy. These tools are covered in silicone, so it does resist the resin. Now, mine are fairly old, so some of the silicone is starting to pop off, so they do need to be replaced. So just keep in mind they are reusable, but they do have a lifespan. But you just want to pick all the resin off of them. Now, when it comes to these cups, there will be a little disc at the bottom. Pull it out, and then I like to do this to release the pieces on the inside. And I find the easiest way to get those little bits out is with some duct tape. So I'm going to take a piece of duct tape here. Cut a piece off. And I'm going to wrap it around my fingers, sticky side out. And then I'm simply going to go into the cup and use that sticky side to pick up all those little resin drops that are in there. There's a little bit right there that doesn't want to come off. And there you go, perfectly clean cup, ready to use for the next time. So I'm going to do that with all of my tools. Every single time I've finished a project, I clean up my tools to make sure that they're clean and ready to go for the next time. The worst thing in the world is wanting to be creative and then having to clean up first. So I try to make sure that it is all done. So that time there, I didn't do this, and I do have a couple pieces that were stuck in there just going around. So I do find that it helps to release them a little bit. There you go. And then when it comes to these things here, with your painter's pyramid, you're going to get the resin pooling around it, but all you do is bend it and they come out. Just be careful, because sometimes the edges get a little bit sharp depending on how many layers you've done and how long it's cured. I find the longer it's cured, the more brittle it is, which means that the edges are a little bit more sharp, a little bit more dangerous, but still pretty easy to get those bits and pieces off and reuse them. These little tabs here, sometimes you'll find they get caught in the resin and bend, but I don't really worry too much about that because they're not necessary for them to work. I'm just going to leave that one because I'm fighting with it a little bit more. Take the last one here, rub it, and then get some tape. And there we go. Our tools are ready to use for the next time.